So are you saying this is dead or this is dried? Stick around and let me show you what I am going to do with these dried Echinacea stems. Hi everyone, so this year I planted several Echinacea plants. This was one that I actually started from seed myself, and I know that as the years go by, it is a perennial, that it will get a little bit thicker. The more I keep clipping, the more it'll get more bushier. But let me show you what we're doing today. So I have 3 colored Echinacea plants that are growing in the garden, and I hope we can get through this video today because it is really windy. It has been raining on and off, but I did promise my husband that I would get these, not dead, but dried Echinacea stems off the table. So I want to show you how to collect some seeds, and it is a bee that is staring me directly in my face, but I'm not going to move. But let me show you what I use to collect seeds, y'all. And when I started gardening and really figured out how to save my seeds, I felt like I had struck gold, and I'll tell you why. Because the seeds that are growing in my garden, once I collect them, I feel like they're acclimated to this weather and they do a little better. So, I mean, I do still buy plants, but I also start a lot from seed. And I want to share with you how to save some money and sometimes collecting your own seeds and starting them at the right time. Now, I will say Echinacea is one of those plants, if you stay in the right zone, and I stay in zone 8B, that you could start during the fall and then the next year have flowers. Now, I started these early in the inside with our arrow gardens, and so I was able to get some flowers this year. But this is a perennial, and I'm hoping that each year it will grow and it will get bushier and it will expand into just like a beautiful place to see. So once you have a dried Echinacea stalk, and it has to be dried, then you can collect the seeds. And let me move out the way because I just feel like this bee is looking straight at me like I'm gonna sting you. Let me see if I can like get over here without it. Do y'all see it right here? This is not supposed to be part of the video, but it is looking straight at me like it just wants to come for my face. Oh, okay. So it's gone. So anyway, hopefully the wind won't blow these away, but let me show you. And you may want to wear gloves. I feel like my fingers are tough because they do have like these little spikes on here, and they do stick, and sometimes they do hurt, but I don't know, something about gloves. I like to feel stuff. And the only reason why I really started wearing gloves is because there were like a lot of spiders, and they have brown recluse here, and I didn't want to get bit by the wrong spider. So anyway, let me stop talking and let me show you how to save Echinacea seeds so you can put these in your garden, because Echinacea also has a lot of healing qualities. They sell like the Echinacea tea. Now, I think the healing qualities are more in the root, but I have read where you can harvest like the leaves and make Echinacea tea out there. Make sure you Google it, look it up, talk to your doctor about it before you start drinking it. So anyway, let's go ahead and let me show you how to save the seeds. Okay, so I'm trying to get as close as possible, but like I said, these are spiky. So the first thing you want to do, and I'm going to open up the inside just in case the winds start blowing again, and move over here. Okay, so you basically just want to remove like these little spikes. Just peel them off, just pull them. Yeah, I would say just pull them out, and they'll start coming out. And like I say, they do stick. They'll start coming out, and you'll see like the spiky part, but you'll also see like some, it looks like to me, I would say just some tan colored rice grains. Just think of, look for something that looks like a rice grain, and those are your seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this first one all the way out and empty it out on the paper towel, and then I'll get a close-up of what we are looking for. And I'll also make sure that I link my marigold, why not to buy marigold video also in here. I might as well go ahead and do the other one while I'm doing it, and I hope you guys can see, but I'll give you a close-up. I'll link my marigold video because I also saved those seeds, and you can like throw them, scatter them, start them, but those are some seeds that are very easy to start. We actually have marigold underplanted under our tomatoes. I'll show you really quick. And those are some seeds too. Let me turn the camera around. So we have marigolds here. These are really easy to start from seed, and I'm not going to go over it today. I'll link my video. But once these seeds like this starts to dry, it's been raining today, so these are wet. You pull that off and you pull those seeds out. So the wind is blowing. So I'm going to go back over here and show you what to look for. So real quick, I got some seed packets off Amazon, and I'll try to leave the link below. But I basically put all the seeds that I saved in these little seed envelopes. Some people store them in the refrigerator and put like the what do you call it, that's decascent pack in there, you know, the thing that you find in your shoe or something that kind of absorbs the moisture. I think they put them in there. And then some people just put them in a cool, dark place, and that's what I do. I have like a little seed saver box that I put in a cool, dark place and just use the following year or whenever I'm going to plant it. So let me get closer and show you what to look for. So we went ahead and devoured those 2 dried stalks. So let me move this out the way. So you're gonna have all of this, but do you see these that look kind of like little rice? Oh my gosh, come on, wind, just let me finish the video. Like right here, these are the seeds, and they kind of look like I said, cream rice grains. And you can differentiate it because these are like the spikes that you pulled off, and these are the seeds in here. So let me separate them, and then that way you can have a really good picture. But if you can see in here, all of these are your Echinacea seeds, and you just get those out and put them in those envelopes, and you can plant them, and you will have Echinacea seeds for a very long time. And I also start some, and you can give them to your family and your friends, because we want everyone to grow something green. So hold on, let me kind of separate everything, and then I'll come back and show you, and we're going to end because this is supposed to be a short video. So before it starts raining again, what I did is put it in these little bowls because I did not want the wind to blow them. Now what I do is I try to fish out some of the bigger seeds, and you can like get rid of this. I guess that's why some of the companies like probably filter it, but things like this are no good. These are the seeds right here, and I try to pick out some of the bigger ones. You're going to see a lot like this, but they're a little bit smaller. So it's totally up to you. I'm not saying that they won't germinate, but I just try to get some of the bigger ones. And these are your Echinacea seeds. You can plant them the next year. You can give them away to friends, give them away to guests. But this is a way to save money. And that's what I am all about, is saving money on seeds. So anything that I know I can collect a seed on, that's what I've been doing over the years. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope this will encourage you to start saving seeds. So let me know in the comments below if you currently save seeds and what type of seeds do you save. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and also share it with your friends. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.